Welcome to the 1099 ETC program. This tutorial describes transferring one pair from the prior year 1099 ETC program. First, we recommend that you back up your pairs prior to the transfer. First, make sure that if there are multiple users, everyone is out of the prior year and the new year programs. Open the program and from the main menu, select Utilities, then Program System Utilities, and finally transfer data from prior program year. Only the data from the prior year can be transferred. If you did not use our program to enter in your data for the prior year, click No. Click Yes to continue. For the purposes of this tutorial, the prior year is 2017 and the current year is 2018. Verify that the prior year program directory is correct. If not, select Browse to locate the correct one. The transfer command will try to find any associated prior year working directories. Make sure to check the correct working directory. If there are multiple directories listed, uncheck all that do not contain the prior year data. If the data directory is not listed, click the Add button and find the data directory. The last line lists the current year program directory, which will automatically be filled in. Click OK. This is the screen that you can indicate where you want the data to be located. The top line lists the prior year's directory. The data from the prior year is transferring from this location. The bottom line is where the data is going to be transferred. It defaults to the same location as the prior year, except the folder name ends with the new year digits. If the directory needs to be changed, click Browse and select the correct directory. To continue, click Selected Pairs. In order to transfer, you will need to copy over the existing files, if there are any. No, will not copy existing files and the transfer will not occur. Yes, with confirmation, you list each file that will be copied and verify that you want to replace it. All, without confirmation, will copy over all files without any prompts. For the purposes of this tutorial, select All without confirmation and click OK. Next, select the pair to transfer and click OK. When the transfer is complete, click Continue. At this point, the transfer is complete. The program needs to be restarted. Click OK. For further assistance, please review the frequently asked questions on our website. Or please refer to the help files for additional information. Technical support can be reached by email, fax or phone. Thank you for using the 1099 etc. program. Have a great day.